In a compelling display of athletic prowess and competitive spirit, the world of tennis was abuzz as legends Serena Williams and Novak Djokovic joined forces with rising star Carlos Alcaraz in a bid to claim gold at the upcoming Olympics. The announcement sent shockwaves through the sports community, with fans and critics alike eagerly anticipating this historic event. Serena Williams, a name synonymous with dominance in women's tennis, brings her unparalleled power, precision, and experience to the competition. With 23 Grand Slam singles titles to her name, Serena's presence alone can shift the dynamics on the court. Known for her relentless determination and ability to perform under pressure, she is primed to add an Olympic gold to her illustrious career. Novak Djokovic, the Serbian sensation, is equally formidable. Holding an impressive 20 Grand Slam titles, Djokovic is known for his incredible resilience, versatility, and strategic gameplay. His fitness and mental toughness make him a formidable opponent, and his quest for Olympic gold is seen as a natural progression in his storied career. Meanwhile, Carlos Alcaraz represents the next generation of tennis greatness. At just 18 years old, Alcaraz has already turned heads with his explosive playstyle and maturity beyond his years. With comparisons to Spanish legend Rafael Nadal, Alcaraz's inclusion in this trio adds an exciting layer to the competition and symbolizes the torch being passed to the future stars of the sport. As the Olympics approach, the narrative surrounding the trio is nothing short of captivating. Serena's experience, Djokovic's dominance, and Alcaraz's youthful exuberance create a fascinating blend of talent and ambition, promising unforgettable matches for tennis enthusiasts. Beyond their individual aspirations, the spirit of unity and mutual respect among these athletes underscores the essence of the Olympic Games. The event promises not only thrilling competition but also a celebration of athletic excellence and the global camaraderie that sports inspire. Fans worldwide are on the edge of their seats, ready to witness history in the making as Serena Williams, Novak Djokovic, and Carlos Alcaraz strive for Olympic glory.